Bolivar Road, Port Wakefield Road. The roundabout at the end of Kings Road and Bolivar Road. The shopping centre with a bus station. This was the old intersection. It's now still there. And the bus stop. Bolivar Road and Kings Road intersection upgrade, which is part of the Northern Connector project. As you can see, the road from the roundabout is going to cut across Port Wakefield Road and join up with the future Northern Connector. Looking along Bolivar Road to the roundabout, and the Bolivar Road will continue across Port Wakefield Road to the Northern Connector. Bus stop, shopping centre, the roundabout, Queen Street. The city of Adelaide, the inner ring route, and this is the main north road, and at this point it changes its name to the Port Wakefield Road, and it crosses over the Dry Creek marshalling yards. This is Port Adelaide. The expressway, limited access road called the Port Expressway, which changed its name to Salisbury Highway, and this is the northeastern suburbs, and this is Kings Road, and at this point Kings Road intersects with the Port Wakefield Road at an intersection. What's happening is a new road is going to be built from the end of the north-south road at Wingfield, where the existing flyover exists across the Port Expressway, and a new road is going to be built through the salt pans past the Bolivar sewage works and go out and join onto the Gawler Expressway and out to the Port Perry and beyond. And the first development that has occurred is at Kings Road, Bolivar Road. They have a roundabout which has been built. So what's happened is Kings Road used to have a T junction with Bolivar Road at this point, and then the traffic would go to Bolivar Road and there'd be a T junction with Port Wakefield Road. The Kings Road here has been closed off at a point just here, and the Kings Road traffic now comes to a roundabout with Bolivar Road, which has been redirected, and just here there's a big shopping centre and housing development, and they built this roundabout. And what's going to happen is the intersection here, instead of being a T intersection as is currently, will then become a true intersection, and the traffic will then go across the fields and join onto the Northern Expressway. The orientation is actually this way if we want to line up with the rest of the map. So that Kings Road coming from the northeastern suburbs, diverted around to a roundabout, Bolivar Road brought to the same roundabout, and then comes to this intersection, and then this new road will be built across here, and this is the brand new Northern Connector Road, which is in the process of being built at the moment. Bolivar Road, Port Wakefield Road. Bolivar Road, Port Wakefield Road intersection. Roundabout at the end of Kings Road intersection. rather dangerous T intersection has now been turned into a roundabout with quite fast movement of vehicles across intersection. There's a separate bike path which keeps away from the roundabout. An intersection with Port Wakefield Road. The northern connector, the road will be extended across through that section of cleared land. At this point, the bike riders are expected to cross over this point. There's no indication for motor vehicles to slow down.